In this video, you'll learn how to book a hotel without paying upfront on Agoda. This is really useful if you want to secure a room now, but prefer to pay later, for example, at the property when you check in. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll explain what to look out for so you don't accidentally choose a prepaid option. First, open the Agoda website or app and search for your destination. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can enter the city, area, or specific place you want to stay near. Type in your destination, then choose your check-in and check-out dates and adjust the number of guests and rooms if needed. Taking a moment to set the correct dates and guest count will help you see the most accurate prices and availability for your situation. Once everything looks right, tap or click the search button to see the list of available properties. Next, browse through the search results and select a hotel that interests you. You can scroll through the list, look at photos, read reviews, and check the overall rating to get a feel for each place. If you have a budget in mind, you might want to sort or filter by price, or use filters like star rating or guest rating. When a hotel catches your eye, select it to open its detailed page. This page usually shows more photos, location information, and most importantly, the different room types and booking options available. Now, this is the key part. You need to check whether the hotel offers a no prepayment or pay at property option. These are the labels that indicate you won't be charged immediately when you book. Scroll down to the room options and carefully read the details under each rate. Some options may say they require prepayment or are non-refundable, while others may show wording such as no prepayment needed, pay at property, or pay later. Be sure to read the cancellation policy next to each option as well, because even pay later bookings can sometimes have fees if you cancel too late. Once you've found a room type that includes a no prepayment or pay at property option, choose that specific option. Even within the same room type, there may be several pricing choices, so double check that you're selecting the one that clearly states payment will be taken at the property or at a later time, not immediately. It might be slightly different in price compared to the prepaid option, so decide what works best for you. Then click or tap on the button to continue with that choice. Finally, confirm your booking. You'll be taken to a page where you enter your details, such as your name and contact information, and possibly your payment details for guarantee purposes. Even if a card is requested, look for confirmation on the page that no prepayment will be charged at this time. Before you finalize, review the dates, the room type, the total price, and the payment and cancellation conditions. When everything looks correct, submit the booking. Agoda will then show a confirmation screen, and you should receive a confirmation email with all the booking details. And that's it. You've successfully booked a hotel on Agoda without paying upfront, securing your stay while keeping flexibility until you arrive at the property.